If you're not browning your butter, you're missing out. Butter on its own is delicious, but making a beurre noisette or browned butter is going to add a really nutty taste to the fat. The process only takes about 3 minutes. All you have to do is melt some butter in a pan, heat it over medium-high heat. Make sure to give the pan a swirl so that it evenly melts. Once the butter has melted, turn the heat down to medium. Make sure you do not take your eye off the pan. In just a few minutes, you're going to see these brown little bits of pieces at the bottom. This is due to Maillard Browning of the milk solids, creating a nutty aroma and taste. I like to add brown butter to cakes, frostings, and chocolate chip cookies. But for a savory application, I'm going to show you my favorite sauce. Ooh, the brown butter is ready. As you can see, it's golden on the bottom with all the milk solids. This is going to add so much flavor to your dishes. Now, with the heat off, I like to add a little bit of sage and some freshly grated nutmeg and a little bit of sea salt. This is great to add to raviolis or your favorite pasta, but today I'm going to add it to some spaghetti squash.